Hi there and welcome to the weekly wrap, week beginning the 22nd of January 2018. We have 5 auctions this week, and our first auction is an external auction off-site. This one's split into 2, so it's the online metal and welding fabrication workshop clearance auction. This is ending Monday the 22nd of January 2018 at 10 a.m. and this includes panel saws, band saws, duct board benders, plasma cutter, generator, welders, duct fabrication tools, power tools, hand tools, warehouse tools and equipment, roller stands, workbenches and much more. And the second of that auction is the online steel and office equipment auction, and this is ending Monday the 22nd of January at 12 p.m. and this includes assorted lengths of offcuts of steel, I-beams, mesh, plates and pipe, racking, office furniture, printers, kitchen appliances and much more. So the second auction is the online brand new car and light vehicle tyres auction, and this is ending the 23rd on Tuesday at 6 p.m. and this includes all brand new assorted brand tyres including Maxtrek, Delmax, Saferich, Antares, Sailun, Federal, Achilles, Accelera, Farroad, and this includes assorted sizes suited for cars and light vehicles. And the third auction for the week is the online high-end brand Whitegoods clearance auction, and this is ending Wednesday the 24th of January at 6 p.m. and this includes high-end brands such as Fisher and Paykel and higher washing machines, dishwashers, refrigerators, fridges, freezers, dryers and ovens. And the fourth auction is the online monthly administrators Brierty Limited Mining and Civil Clearance auction. This is our multi-monthly vendor that we have every month, and this is ending Thursday the 25th of January at 10 a.m. and this is including wheel loaders, excavators, service truck, telehandler, utilities, forklifts, vans, motorbikes, jet ski, trucks, office trailer, ditch witch, lighting towers, generators, engines and much more. And our last auction for this week is the online new Deluxe electric bicycles auction, and this is ending Sunday the 28th of January at 6 p.m. So this includes 3 new Swifts 26-inch 250-watt electric bikes, 3 new Fashion 20-inch 250-watt electric bikes, 3 new 2017 Breeze 26-inch 250-watt electric bikes, 3 of the new Cruisers 26-inch 250-watt electric bikes, and 1 of the new Leopards 26-inch 250-watt electric bikes. That's all for this week, but be sure to keep your eyes peeled for more upcoming auctions.